Come on, kid, it's Caillou's story time. What's the story called, Grandma? It's called Caillou Isn't Afraid Anymore. It all happened when Caillou was 3 years old. Then in the door, lots of children said there was a ghost in his terrible outhouse. Mr. Hinkle's house sure looks spooky. And so did Mr. Hinkle. But Caillou was the manner. It's Mr. Hinkle. He's scary. Why do you say that? Mr. Hinkle is scary. Look, he wants to catch me. He's not there, and besides, I know Mr. Hinkle, and he's very nice. Why, hello there, Caillou. Mommy. Poor Mr. Hinkle felt sad when he saw Caillou run away. Don't be frightened. Mr. Hinkle came over to say he's sorry you're scared. He's really nice man. I don't like him. I think he's a little Hinkle because I don't know him. Hello, can I come in? Come in, Mr. Hinkle. Caillou, Mr. Hinkle would like to Caillou. But where did Caillou go? I don't know. He was here a minute ago. Oh boy, I think he's playing hide and go seek. And I love playing hide and go seek. Ready or not, Caillou, here we come. Now where could he be? Caillou, where are you? Gilbert, they're heroes. I think Caillou's hiding downstairs. We're getting warmer. I wonder if he's here. I don't see him. No, he's not here. Let's check another room. There's only one place where boy Caillou could be. I think I'm getting warmer and warmer. But Caillou forgot all about being scared of Mr. Hinkle. Well, I got to see our friends now. I want to play again. I like the very much, Caillou. And this time, I'll hide and you can see. I like you, Mr. Hinkle.